This final exam trap shows how students lose marks in the last line. All the working is correct, but there's no final statement, no units, and no conclusion, and the marks disappear. In this exam question, this is where good students lose marks. All the working is correct, but there's no final statement, no units, and no conclusion, and the marks disappear. We're given the profit is modeled by P of x equals minus 500x squared plus 6000x minus 8000. The trap, students do all the maths correctly and finish with x equals 6. The mark loss, but the question asks for maximum profit, not the value of x. There is no sentence, no units, no profit stated. What examiners reward? Your final answer must be written in full context. Not just a number, you must state the maximum value and when it occurs. For example, the maximum profit is $10,000, occurring when 600 units are sold. Examiner insight: calculations earn method marks, but clear, contextual statements are required to secure full marks. Here's the exam rule: correct working earns method marks. Clear interpretation and a final contextual statement earn full marks. You must state, the maximum profit is $10,000, occurring when 600 units are sold. Mark allocation summary: 5 marks, correct optimization method used. Correct x value identified. Value substituted correctly into the model. Maximum value calculated accurately. Final answer stated clearly with units and context. Common mark loss: omitting the final contextual sentence typically costs the last 1 to 2 marks. We're asked to find the maximum profit, so this is a quadratic optimization problem. The profit is modeled by a quadratic function that opens downward, which tells us the profit has a maximum at the turning point. To find that turning point, we use the standard formula negative b over 2a. Substituting the values gives an x value of 6. This earns the method mark, but many students stop here and lose the remaining marks. Next, we substitute this value back into the profit function. Doing so gives a maximum profit of $10,000. Examiners are looking for correct substitution and arithmetic to award full marks. But here's the exam trap. The variable x represents the number of units sold in hundreds. So an x value of 6 actually means 600 units sold. This means the final answer must be written in full context. The maximum profit is $10,000, occurring when 600 units are sold. Examiners award method marks for the calculations, but full marks require this final statement. Before writing your final answer, pause and check. Does the quadratic open downward, meaning a maximum is required? Have you found the turning point and substituted back to get the profit? Have you interpreted the units correctly, hundreds, not single units? And have you written a full sentence with units and context? That final check can be the difference between method marks and full marks. Everything up to the last line can be correct, and you can still lose marks. Examiners reward working, but they mark your final statement. Always finish with units and context. Subscribe for more exam traps you need to avoid.